All right, YouTube. I mentioned before I want to get the JB Weld. I did. I poured more, I was going to say Vaseline. I poured more vinegar. And I went to clean it again. This is a godsend. And when I wanted to do the final brush, guess what I found? More holes. So here's the original one. There's another one right there. As you see, I continued with the metal brush. And when I went to go here, so here's the original hole. Here's the original. And yep. So that's 1, 2, come on camera, 3, right there, edge of my fingertip. And now, where is it? Right there. And I don't know if you can hear that. It's starting to get cloudy, but I can hear thunder. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I don't got much room to move around. So now, I'm not sure, where is it? I'm not sure, but I think that's the 5th hole right there. So still, I'll put a light coat of the JB Weld here, and starting around here, where I'm still going to try and get rid of the rust, starting here to here, I'll put a thicker coat. I'll put a small blob for that. So yeah, when you find a hole, always follow your instinct and keep scrubbing. That's how I found these, because something told me to scrub. And that sounds like it's coming closer. It's right above me. And this is what I used to remove most of the rust. Works great. Just give it a bit to work itself in. It's not instantaneous.